हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप सब। आई विश कि आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे होंगे। मैं अमन शर्मा स्वागत करता हूं आप सभी का द इकोनॉमिक्स एक्सपर्ट में। सो गाइस, इन टुडेज वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज़ मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स एंड व्हाट इज़ माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स, एंड वी विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैक्रो एंड माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. So if you are the student of economics and want to learn economics from the basic, so this video is for you. So guys, let's begin the video. We will talk about microeconomics. Microeconomics is a branch of economics that studies the economic problem and economic activities at individual level. Now we will talk about macroeconomics. Macroeconomics, it is also branch of economics which studies economic problem and economic activity or issue at the level of whole economy. Now we will go ahead and talk about difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. First difference is in microeconomics we studies the economic problem at individual level, and in macroeconomics we studies the economic problem at the level of whole economy. And the second difference is in microeconomics the main determinant is price. In this, all the decision taken on the basis of price, but in microeconomics main determinant is income. In this, all the decision is taken on the basis of income. And now the third difference is in microeconomics we studies the problem related to sharing resources, but in macroeconomics we studies the problem related to full employment and development of resources. And now our fourth and the last difference is microeconomics based on the theory of price, but macroeconomics based on the theory of income and employment.